Hello, sir, and welcome to my project presentation. I'm Bandi Naveen, studying 4th BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department in Miracle Educational and Society Group of Institutions, College. My project is microwave oven simulation using PixSimLab and XC8 simulator. First of all, I want to thank MST Informational Technology to give me this opportunity and go to our presentation. What contents we are learning this this microwave oven simulation? First is C programming language and embedded systems like embedded C, microcontroller and microprocessors, and requirements of the project and project presentation. Let's go to topics. What we learned. C programming language and microcontrollers and microprocessor difference. PixSimLab, MPLab X IDE using XC8 bit compiler and microwave oven simulation. With respect to this workshop, which is tell to how to create an template and how to create an best resume and how we present ourselves in the interviews or like any job job resources. Requirements for this project is mainly one laptop using software simulations. First one is Piximla, which is used to compare the all what we microwave oven output, and Apple XI IDE is used to compile our project, and X8 is a compiler. PIC16 F877A is the microcontroller for this project. First, we learn C programming language. In C programming language, we firstly learn introduction to C and keywords and categories and basic data types, data representations, conditional constructs, operators, arrays, pointers, functions, strings, storage classes, process. These are learned in this C programming language for this project. Firstly, introduction to C. We know C is a general purpose procedural programming language supporting structured programming and lexical variable scope and recognition with a static type system. By design, C provides constructs that map efficiently to typically machine instructions, giving to performance approaching the assembly language. Keywords and categories. Keywords are reserved what words words that have a special meaning in the C language. They can't be used as a variable names and other identifiers. Keywords are have variable name and identifiers. Keywords are written in lowercase letters only. We can't provide in uppercase. Data representation. Data representation is data in a computer system is represented by a binary format. We all know the logical thinking and logical writing is all in the binary format as a sequence of zeros and ones, denoting of off and on states respectively. We only use off and on statements. The smallest component of the binary representation is known as a bit, which stands for a binary digit. A byte, of the other hand, generally encompasses 8 bits. 8 bits. A byte is 8 bits. Basic data types. In the C programming language, there are so many data types. For we want to discuss about some some of those. First one is integer. Integer is a whole number such as 1, 2, like -3 or -4. Whole number means 0 to infinity or 0 to minus infinity. floating point. A number with a decimal point, such as 1.23, like decimals 1.23, 4.23, 1.0, 1.5, like that. Characters. A single letter or a number or a symbol such as a, 1 or any at the rate, like different characteristics. String. A series of characters such as hello world or numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a pointer means pointer. A variable stores the memory address and another variable. So one pointer stores the memory address and of the another variable. Another variable's memory address which stores in the address. Enumeration, a collection of name constants, we all know. Conditional constructs. Conditional constructs are main, I think there are three. If, else, else if it executes the code of if a condition is true. If, if it executes the condition of the code, then the condition is true. And else executes the code if the name condition is false. When the code is false, the else executes the right code after that. Else it specifies a new condition to test the first condition is false. It gives the test condition if the first condition is false, and then it gives the second condition. It's where true. Other conditional statements includes C conditional operators, nested if else, switch constructs. We know nested if else is used to check more than one condition. Switch construct is compares to value stored in the variable and executes the block of the statements associated with the matched case. Next topic is operators. Operators are like we all know operators are so many types, but we want to discuss about now the arithmetic operators in C language. Arithmetic operators is used to perform the mathematical operations as well as the arithmetic operations in the program. Mathematical operations mean such as subscriptions, addition, and division and multiplication. The remainder of the division, decrement minus increment plus plus. We all know. Arrays. Arrays in the can be defined as a method of clubbing multiple entities of a similar type into the large group. These enters of elements can be of int, float, char, or double data type, or can be user-defined data types to like structures. Okay, let's go to pointers. A pointer is defined as a divided data type that can store address of C and variables of the memory location. Next topic is we learn functions. Function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data, know the parameters into the function. Strings. A string in C program is a sequence of characteristics terminated with the null character 0. Only 0 will be used to in the strings is a null character, and there are so many strings. Storage characters, storage classes. Okay. Storage class four types: automatic storage class, external storage class, static storage class, register storage class. These four storage classes are used in the C. After finally, what we want to do the project is processor. The processor is the C language can be run either a processor of a post processor, preprocessor. The preprocessor sets up the environment of the C compiler, then invokes the compiler and captures the analysis compiler listening. The processor process the preprocessor or the post processor. That's all for this C, and we want to discuss about microprocessor and microcontroller. First, we want to discuss about microprocessor. Microprocessor is a device, any of the type of miniature electronic device that contains the arithmetic logical control circuitry necessary to perform a functions. It has the arithmetic and logical control connectivity, which is perform the functions that that are digital computers and central processing unit. That like CPU or digital computers, we want to use microprocessors. It is also an electrical device. This is the microprocessor, the gold coated image. Now we want to discuss about microcontroller. Microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operations in the embedded system. It is the heart. It is also known as heart of the embedded system. Microcontroller is the main heart of the embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes the processor, memory, input and output peripherals in a single chip. That's a microprocessor is a both who are the electrical process, but which is used in embedded system and which is used in digital computers or the CPU. We want to discuss about embedded system. What is embedded system? We all know embedded system is a system which is computer is include an integral part of the system, which is include the integral part of the system. Often the computer is relatively invisible to the user without obvious applications and files and operating system. The embedded system is there. We can see the picture. The embedded system mainly used for it is minimal interface. It will easy operated system, real time output, highly efficiency, reliable, and its limited memory, less power consumption, low tolerance. It will highly stable and time specific and task specific. It is low cost. Then embedded system is mainly used in industrial missions, consumer electronics, and agricultural processing industries, devices, automobiles, medical and equipment, cameras, digital watches, household applications, airplanes, vending machines, and toys, as well as the mobile devices and possible locations. I think embedded system is the main source of life. It will use all of the world and all of the daily life. Every human being use embedded system. If the picture of embedded system used, you can see this manufacturing equipment, domestic appliances, audio-visual equipments like Bluetooth and speakers, gaming consoles like remotes, telecommunication like mobiles, medical devices, car and vehicles, motion sensor. The sensors is the main topic. Sensors also. We can know. We want to know what is embedded C. There is a small difference between embedded C and C programming language. Embedded C is the extension language of the C language and is used to develop the microcontroller basic application. Microcontroller major follows the C language. The exponentials in the embedded C the language is normal C programming language or input output hardware addressing modes. It is also follows the normal mode, but it was in the addressing mode. Fixed point arithmetic operations accessing the address spaces, etc. What is difference between C and embedded? We want to know what is the difference between C and embedded C. C provides the wide range of libraries and general purpose computing, whereas embedded C provides libraries and specific hardware platform. It was the software, it was the hardware. Both are the C language, both are used the same topic, but it was used for software, this is used for embedded C, used for hardware. These libraries are optimized for the memory users of the provide efficient access to the hardware resources. I think okay, we want let's go to the what our project we discuss. First, we want to know the requirements of the project. The requirement of the project is mainly PixSimler. PixSimler is a real-time emulator of development boards in the MP Lab XID debugger and integration. It debugs the information of the MPLA website. Here we can see the board of the PixinLab. This board is used at our project. Then the main thing we can implement the program and all program resources embedded in the MPLAB IDE. MPLAB IDE is an expandable and highly configurable software program that offers the tools to help the program our microcontroller and digital signals. Let's go to our project. What our project is microwave oven simulation. First, we want to know about microwave. What is microwave? Microwave oven is heat food. All we know, it heats the food with using of microwaves, a form of electronic and radiation similar to the radio waves. It's the waves are electromagnetic waves are converted into the radio waves. Then the radio waves are the gives the heat to the what we put in the microwave. Microwaves have three characters that allows them use it to cooking. Only it's used for cooking only. They are reflected metal. They pass through the glass, paper, plastic, and similar materials, and they are absorbed food by foods. Okay, it was the picture for the microwave. All we know, all we see our daily life. This is the inner diagram of the microwave. It is the magnetator which gives the microwave oven chamber. This all the oven chamber. These rays are called microwaves. My control circuit. This is the control circuit like screen, digital screen or switches. Transformer used to transform the power to the microwave. This is the power supply. That's all about microwave oven. We want to know advantages and disadvantages also of the microwave oven. First, we know the advantages. They use it to quick heating. They all we know our food is heated very quickly in the microwave oven. Cooking program. What type of food you put, it will be easily programmed. What we give the input that it gives the out. Easy to clean. Also, it was easy to clean. Why? Because there are all are silver coated or plastic coated body. That's all we easily clean it also. It can be used to defrost the food. It used to when the food is become cold, then we put it in the microwave oven. It gives the heat to the food. Safe for children. Children's also safe when they are accidentally put their hands or anything. It was not happen to them. Variable heat settings. We know how much heat we know, how time that all gives by this. Okay. Low energy consumption. This is also not consumed any other high energy. Okay. Where advantage, there are disadvantages. We know about also disadvantages. Disadvantage when the food will become very dry. Why? Because the microwaves will give heat and the solid liquid crystals are all are evaporated. Sugi food, we all know sugi food. The food is not versatile. Also needs special containers. If we want to put it on the microwave, they want the special containers also. Changes of the food poison. The good food also changes to the poisonous food also. Here the conclusion: microwave ovens are found in 75% of homes. All we know, all are using now microwaves. It mostly commercial kitchen utilize special feeding, heating and cooking. Heating and cooking is mainly used in microwaves in only I think. However, it is used to frequently with the apart maintenance and microwave pose health risks. All we know that. Let's go the embedded programming. The main programming is used in the embedded system of microwave is main.c and main.h. Main.c, this is the main.c interface and this is the main.h interface. All programming we are written in the MPLAB X IDE. Let's go to the project presentation.
Now we go to the processing of the MPLab XAID. This is the target board for the microwave oven. We hit the programming main.c and main.h. These are the two programs we are done, and the program will be successfully built, and we will go to the program PiximLab. We want to reload first. The target board will shows the four types of notifications. First is micro, second one grill, third one is convention, fourth one is start. These four are mainly used to this microwave oven. For press 1, this shows the power 900 watts and it goes to give the time. We firstly give 2 seconds for this one, and you press hash to enter the program. Here we press next, no, we clear, then we give to another time for 5 seconds. Now press hash, then time will running 3 2 and 1. After cooking time is up, buzzer will ringing. Now go to the second mode, grill mode. Now we want to press 2. The grill mode will also show same. Now we give time 5 seconds, press and press hash. The time will running 3 2 and the time will increases. You see 50 seconds, 54 seconds, 52 seconds. Another we press 4. The time will another increasing 4 5 4 5 4 5 4 5. Press key 5 to pause the. You see the collar fan is also paused. We press 5 to pause this process. Now press 6 to stop this program. It will stop, then it shows the home page. Now we go to the press 3 to convention mode, key 3. Convention mode is shows the temperature. The limit of the temperature we give is 50 degrees. Now we give 260 degrees to go the temperature. Now press yes. It shows invalid temperature and buzzer will ranks. Now go to the start key, press. We will start it. It starts from 30 seconds. Why? Because we give the this section. This is the process of microwave oven. The microwave oven is working successfully. Thank you for this giving this opportunity. I want to say thanks to MXT for this giving this opportunity. I am very lucky to take this opportunity, and thank you to learn how the embedded system is working, how the microwave is working with the help of embedded system. Thank you MXT core team and MXT management. Thank you so much.